Wait, what? You want to see a spark? Alright. Alexa, turn off the garage. Hello guys, today I bought a 1981 CB750 Custom. This bike has, according to the odometer, 1400 miles, and it has a very nice paint and a great seat. I think this bike doesn't have some of the original parts, like for example the front fender is different, it's not from factory. It looks good anyway. The front controls, forward controls, the exhaust is a Honda one, but it's not the 4-4, this is 4-2 that was used in the F version of the bike. So now let me show you all the details about this bike. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Alright, so this bike has a plexi fairing number 3. It's aftermarket, but looks good and it looks like it fits correctly. So this is one. The tires look very worn. The last time that this bike was registered was 2010, and this is 2016. So what I saw is that the calipers, so you can see that the brakes are very thick and big. So it says that the bike doesn't have too many miles. According to the odometer, it says 1412, but I think this odometer or cluster is for the F version of the bike. So this looks pretty good. Anyway, so here we have the front forward controls, and it has a broken fin of the head, but everything looks pretty clean, very good. So let me show you the oil. I looked through it, and it looks like very clean. You see, so very brownish. I will check. What I like the most is the paint is great. You see, I haven't done any cleaning, but you can see, and here I did some cleaning with a polish, and you can tell the difference. So I think this is going to be awesome. It has some kind of pitting, but everything is over. So you see, it's pretty good. I will show you the tank. The controls looks deary, but they seems like they work good. This bike doesn't have battery, but I will check. I did a rotation of the tire in second gear, so it is not locked. So I will do some cleaning here. The mirrors have some pitting, so that's okay. The seat is great, it's in great conditions. I did some cleaning here, and you can see how nice it looks. And I will do the same to these are aftermarket, of course. They made this kind of bracket. I don't like it that much, but I will have it here anyway. I will remove it when I can. And I think they did a F version of this bike, because this is plastic, and plastic, I will see if I can put something here to cover it, or if I can buy in eBay the correct kit for this. For the exhaust, they look pretty good, very clean. These are the original brand, it's a K2048, something like that, and they fit perfect, 4-2. So this was registered in 2010. From the other side, we have as well the forward controls. The exhaust very clean. I will dry it because it was raining when I got the bike. I'm not so sure if these are the covers, or we need to have the covers that are chrome. But other than that, looks pretty good, very clean, as you can see. What I will do next, I will remove the spark plugs and I will check inside the cylinders, and I will put defogging oil in order to let it sit for a day or two, just to refresh a little bit the rings. It haven't run in 16 years. The paint looks great. I like it. You see, you can see it has a little scratches, but it's fine. The carburetors are not locked. They look good. The brakes, I don't know. I think it leaked. You can see the fluid there, but looks good. The mirrors have some pitting. Everything is cleanable. Doesn't have any signs of that the back fell. The paint is beautiful. This front fender is not the original. This is plastic. I saw some of them in eBay that maybe I replace it, and I will take a look in these forward controls. I'm not so sure if something that I would like, or for the customer that is going to buy it. I don't know. So what do you think? Oh, most important, the tank. Let me show you the tank. So where I left the keys, I don't know where I left the keys. So one of the reasons that I think this is not the correct cluster is because this key is for here, but not for here. So you see, doesn't fit. So now we have the Honda key. I asked the seller if they can find in the storage where they had it, if they have the other spare parts, but the tank looks very good, very nice. Doesn't have any rust. You see, I think they already did some fixing to the tank, like the POR or POR. Let me see if I can put the light. Yeah. So I removed the sparks and doesn't look bad. A little bit of gas, but nothing wrong with it. So the other side is the same. So what I will do now, I will use this. Let me remove the light. So I will use this camera to see inside the cylinders and see how it looks inside. So as you know, I am by myself and I have to do this by myself. I found some rat poop, but it's fine. So this is the inside of the cylinder. So inside looks a little bit dirty. Now I will push this button and change the camera side to see the walls. Oh, looks great. Looks like a great hatch. So it should be okay. You see, looks pretty good. Oh, the valves, but the hatch looks pretty good. So I think this bike is going to be very good. It just needs some cleaning, but I will put some. I cannot see the number 3 because it should be close. So yeah, but let's see how the wall looks like. All right. Yeah, it looks dirty, but it's going to be okay. I think it's no problem. Let's see the other side. So let's put it there. This is number 4. Yeah, doesn't look bad. It's just dirty, but doesn't look bad. Let's see the other side. Or the side walls. A little bit of rust. Oh. I think it's pretty good. You see the hatch? This is the cross hatch. Alright. So I think we're good. Let's see if we... No, let me show you the poops. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, it's on top, but oh, yeah, it looks good. No, I don't see a problem with that. So for this, what I will do, I will put some defogging oil. Let me turn this off. Okay, so I stop corrosion and install engines. What I will do is just to put a lot of it inside. Alright, so now I will try to see inside the under the seat and see if I can put a battery and make it spin. Just spin without any charge or any load to the motor. Alright, so I removed the cover of the seat, and it looks like this is of course another set for other bike, but everything else looks pretty good, very clean. If I clean here, it doesn't look too bad. This is where the battery goes, so what I will do, I will remove it. And it has a nice cover, so we will see if the battery that I have fits. So this is the battery that I have. It seems it fits here, so it may be my lucky day. Let's see. Woo! It's perfect. I think I have to do this. Oh yeah, and it has the right polarity. So I will do this right now and see if it works, all the electronics. All right, so I will remove the ground bolt and connect it to the ground and then to the positive. The knot is spinning. Oh. Alright, so I made it fit. Okay, let's see how it goes, and then I will do the positive, but because I am with only one hand, I will do it myself, and then I will show you the key. So I connect the positive as well, so let's see if we have anything working correctly. Whew, this is not the original one, so we will see. Oil, neutral, high beam, the turn signals. Not working. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if the brake is the light at the back is working, but we have forward controls, so I will see if it works. Okay, brake light works. Does it spin? Woo! Okay, perfect. It's moving, and I had to clean all the mess that I did. So, if you want to learn what is next, please follow me and subscribe, because I will make this one running back to original condition again. Woo! Will run. If you want to see more, follow me, subscribe, and like. Wait, what? You want to see a spark? Alright, Alexa, turn off the garage. Did you see it?